Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. We're very glad we're not dead. Anyway, I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. Today we are getting into the Boxycharm Premium. We love the Boxycharm Premium, and it is now a $39 box if I'm correct. And it's a big old sucker, but it doesn't weigh very much. I can't remember what my choice was, but that's okay. I don't know what's in here. I haven't watched any spoilers. And today's theme is Aether Beauty. And it is written super tiny, so I will need my spectacles. We've got lots of paper in here. Oh, it looks like we got some good stuff. And like I said, it's a $39 box. And I like to keep track of how much the value is, so I've got my handy dandy calculator. My calculator. Catch you later. Anyway, so let's get in here before I make up some more crazy songs. And we'll start with this. Ooh, this is very exciting. It's from a company that I adore. Every time I do my makeup, I use the bronzer from this company, Cover Effects. And this is the Custom Enhancer Palette. This travel-friendly palette features 3 best-selling shades of custom enhancer drops, now in a talc-free pressed powder. At home or on the go, sweep over high points of the face to instantly illuminate your complexion. $42. That's great. Ooh, it's sealed. I'm all about some highlighters. I've got a great highlighter collection. I like powder highlighters. I like liquid highlighters. I like highlighting highlighters. Highlighters, where am I from? Am I from Kentucky or what? I'm trying to get this open without killing myself. It's really tricky. Let me try this side. This looks like it's got more of a gap. Oh my God. Woo! Thank goodness. Doesn't always seem like it's 3D when I put my scissors into the container. I'm not going to worry about this box because I know it's going straight into my collection. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at those. They be gorgeous. Very gorgeous. Very cool. I'm really loving it. And then from Persona, it's in a plastic bag. And it's a lip liner in 90210. And I don't really do a lot of lip lining, but I have a lot of friends who do. And this is a line and define. Shape your lips with this creamy and blendable lip liner formulated with jojoba oil and hydrogenated cottonseed oil for effortless glide on application to help create the perfect canvas for long-lasting lip color. Cruelty and paraben free and vegan. And it's $14. All right, well that's nice. I'm not going to open it because it's probably going to go in a giveaway. And then we have from Airbrow. No, it's from Kosas. I love Kosas. And this is the Airbrow Clear Lifting Treatment Gel, a clean, long-wearing brow gel boosted by the hair care activity that fluffs, lifts, and sets brows up for an all-day lamination effect while keeping brows reaching their full growth potential. $22. Let's see. So I think it's saying that it helps your brows grow. and keeps them in place. Oh my God, look how sweet that is. It's all shimmery and beautiful. Oh, the packaging is everything. I'm not a big brow gel person, but I love how to keep it just for the packaging. That's cool. That's super cool. Maybe I'll start using it because I need help growing my brow. Because my brow over here is mostly gone. And this one's doing pretty good, but I've got the good old-fashioned microblading that's a couple years old. And I just put a little brow pencil on and it looks great. All right, from LYS, we have Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. Ooh, I love gripping primers. And this daily serum primer helps balance and brighten the skin while controlling appearance of excess shine through the day. And it's a seamless complexion. You get a seamless complexion with or without makeup. It's packed with skincare ingredients for guilt-free beauty that feels as good as it looks. 20 bucks. That's a decent price. And I'm tired of the primer that I've been using. So that's great. Ooh, it's got a fancy triangle bottom. Ooh, I love a bottom. That's very exciting. I love it. Then we have from Juice Beauty, the Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. And I love a refining mask. And this is clear and hydrate your skin at the same time with pore refining mask. Help protect against maskne, like when you get acne from your mask. And bamboo charcoal and kaolin clay to help detox, aspen bark to help smooth and hydrate, and exfoliate polyhydroxyl acids for a softer, smoother complexion. $36. Very cool. I think it's very cool. And last but not least, from Aether Beauty, the Desert Sunset Palette. 10 shades in an ultra matte shimmer, duochrome, and metallic finish to create gorgeous glowing looks. Crystal charged pigment infused with amber powder. Ooh, amber powder. Helps improve your glow and illuminate skin. $48. And I've had another palette from Aether Beauty. And you always get this really cool little card. And the packaging is gorgeous and it's angled. It's like raised up and angular. And that is a color story that is right up my alley. That is beautiful. I'll be doing a look with that in the very near future. So that's very cool. So the total for today's box is $182, which is great for the $39 or $40 price point. A lot of people, you know, don't like things going up in price. But like, these are great quality things. We've got Aether Beauty. We've got this LYS. We've got this Juice Beauty, which is a great brand, the mask. We've got Kosas, the brow thing. We've got Cover Effects, which is not an inexpensive company. And the quality is always amazing. And then Persona, which is a nice brand too. So I feel like this is a good box this month. I'm in favor of it. So I'm really glad that I'm continuing to get the premium box. Well, that is it. We have unboxed, we have added up the totals, and I'm going to thank you so much for being here with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.